Very warm good morning to every students. Dear students, I hope that all of you are keeping yourself safe and well at home. Dear students, in our last class we have studied and discussed various properties of integers. Today, by using that all properties, how we can solve the question that we are going to discuss. First of all, we are going to solve some fill in the blanks using the property. Look at the first one, negative 150 plus 0. That means a number is added with the 0. Then what we get? We get the same integer. Here it is negative 150. This is 0 property of addition of integers. When we add 0 to any integers, we get the same integer. Means additive identity of integers. Okay, additive 0 is called additive identity of integers. So if 0 is added to any integers, we get the same integer. Second question, a number that is added with its additive inverse. If a number and its additive inverse is added in property we studied, we get what we get? We get 0. When a number is added with its additive inverse, we get 0. The next, 2 negative, when we change, when we multiply, we get a positive and negative. Negative into negative become positive. And here a number, that is from that number we subtract the same number. When we subtract the same number from a number, the answer will be 0. This both negative that changes to positive, one is positive, another is negative, again it will be 0. That means a number, if from a number, if any number is subtracted, it will be 0. And here you can see multiplicative identity, multiplication with 0, 0 property of multiplication. When we multiply any number, any integer by 0, we get 0 as the answer. Here one number is multiplied with another number, that number is missing, we don't know, but here the one number is missing, another number is given. That means it is, and both sides are equal. It means their order of multiplication is changed to two numbers, but both remain the same, equal. That means it is commutative property. So which number is that? 125. And here which number? 105. The order, when we multiply, that commutative property, both sides remains the same. That is used here. So missing number, which number is missing in each side, that we are writing. Here 95 is multiplied by one number, same result. That means in order to get the same result, that number may be multiplied by 1, then only we get a same result. And next, here 3 numbers are there, means associative property of multiplication of integers. So here you can see that 2 numbers given, and here also 2 numbers here, but here is one number is missing. Which number is that? Negative 60. And here another number is missing, that is negative 140, because here 3 numbers only there, and here one number is present and that number is absent to the next line. So we write that number in its place. Associative property of multiplication of integers. Here if any integer 1 is multiplied, we get the same integers. Multiplicative identity property. This is also this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. A into b plus c is equal to a into b, which is b, negative 150, plus a into c, a which one? Negative 50. And here already we have seen that if with any number 1 is multiplied, we get same number. Here negative 1 multiplied, therefore negative 52. Negative 1 is multiplied with one number, then answer will be negative. And here distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So a means 18. Here 18, a into b. So a is 18 and a into c, which is c, negative 20. Negative 215 is multiplied with a number, then positive 215. If we multiply by 1, then we get same number, but here positive, therefore both numbers should be negative. And here associative property of multiplication. 3 numbers are here. Here one number is missing, so any number you can write here 105, and is grouped with 19 and another number negative 18. Okay students, so here using the property we have filled all these blanks. And next, using the properties of integers, fill in the blanks and also name the property. Here you can see that a number is divided by another number, positive 1 is answer. If same numbers are multiplied, then we get 1 as answer, and here positive 1, therefore it will be negative 1560. If both negative numbers multiply, we get positive, and here product is 1, that means same numbers are divided, not multiplied, divided. So same numbers, when we divide we get 1, and here as it is positive 1, both numbers should be negative. Which property? Inverse property. Inverse. And here 851 divided by one number, then it is not possible to divide. Which if it is not possible, then it is division by 0, because division by 0 is not possible. So which property? 0 property. 0 property. And next, a number is divided by 1, then same number. So if any number is divided by 1, we get same number, so it will be negative 1. And this is property of 1. And here one number is divided by 754, divided by 1, then 754. So if any number is divided by 1, we get same answer. That means same number is divided here. And here also property of 1. And here division by 0, then it is not possible. Means which property is 0 property. And here negative 150 divided by the same number, then it will be 1, positive 1. That also inverse property. So students, these are the fill in the blanks answers. And next, verification questions.